way, if you're choosing web hosting for your business, you've probably seen Hostinger everywhere. It's known for being cheap, fast, and beginner-friendly. But before you buy based on the price alone, there are a few things you need to understand. Many small business owners pick hosting based on the lowest monthly cost. Then months later, they run into slow websites, renewal price surprises, or limits they didn't expect. So the goal here is simple. Decide whether Hostinger is actually the right hosting choice for your business website. Let's start with pricing, because that's what attracts most people first. Hostinger is one of the most affordable hosting providers available. Entry-level plans are often much cheaper than traditional hosting companies. For freelancers, small business websites, and new projects, that low starting price is extremely appealing. However, the advertised monthly price usually applies when you commit to a longer term. If you choose a shorter billing cycle, the monthly cost increases. And when your initial term ends, renewal prices are higher than the introductory rate. This doesn't mean it's a bad deal. It just means you should understand the full pricing before committing. Even with renewal pricing, Hostinger is still generally cheaper than many competitors. The key is knowing that the best value comes when you commit to a longer plan up front. Now let's talk about performance. Affordable hosting often raises concerns about speed and reliability. Surprisingly, Hostinger performs well for its price range. For small business websites, landing pages, blogs, and service sites, loading speeds are typically fast enough to meet user expectations and search engine requirements. Most small business websites do not receive massive traffic immediately. For typical usage, Hostinger's performance is more than sufficient. It's only when websites grow to very high traffic levels that more advanced hosting becomes necessary. Another strong point is usability. Hostinger uses a custom control panel called hPanel. It's designed to be simple and visual. Installing WordPress, connecting domains, and managing your website can be done without technical experience. For beginners and non-technical users, this makes a big difference. You can get a website live quickly without hiring a developer. That's one of the main reasons Hostinger is popular with freelancers, small business owners, and new online entrepreneurs. Of course, no hosting provider is perfect. Hostinger is built for affordability and simplicity. If you're running a high-traffic e-commerce store or a mission-critical application where downtime is extremely costly, you may eventually need a more advanced hosting setup. But for most small business websites and new projects, Hostinger provides a strong balance between cost and performance. So who should consider using Hostinger? It's a strong option for freelancers, local businesses, bloggers, and anyone launching a professional website without a large budget. If your goal is to get online quickly with reliable hosting at a low cost, it's one of the easiest choices to make. If you want to compare Hostinger with other hosting providers before deciding, check the full comparison on Mercatum Digital. I've linked the complete hosting guide in the description so you can see all recommended options side by side. If this video helped you decide, subscribe our channel for more straightforward software and business tool reviews. The goal here is simple: help you choose the right tools without wasting time or money.